In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Slack channel messages in a group setting. We'll walk through each step, making sure it's clear and straightforward so you can manage your Slack workspace with ease. First, let's start by heading over to your Slack workspace. Open your browser and navigate to the Slack website. Once there, you'll either log in directly with your credentials or, more commonly these days, use a Google account to sign in. If Google is your go-to for logging in, you'll see an option that says Click on Google. Go ahead and click that. Next, upon clicking Google, you'll have to select the Google account associated with your Slack workspace. Make sure you're picking the account that has the necessary permissions to make the changes we're about to go through. After selecting your account, click on Continue to move forward. This will bring us into the Slack interface. Once inside Slack, you'll see an option saying Use Slack in your browser. Click on this to proceed. This approach is pretty convenient for quick changes or if you're not planning to remain logged in for long. With Slack now open in your browser, the next step is to select the channel containing the message you'd like to delete. After selecting the appropriate channel, scroll through the channel's messages to find the one you want to remove. When you locate it, look for the three dots, commonly known as More Actions. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu. From these options, choose Delete Message. Now this part's quite simple but essential. Click on Delete. Confirming deletion here ensures that the message gets permanently removed from the channel. For those looking to remove more than just individual messages, let's discuss deleting an entire channel. Begin by navigating to the top of the screen where the channel's name is displayed. Click on it to access the channel's main settings. This is the section where you'll find various options to tweak and manage the channel's environment. Look for Settings and click on it. In the Settings menu, you'll spot an option to delete this channel. Select it to proceed. Now comes a critical step. Click on Yes, permanently delete the channel. This ensures that everyone loses access to the channel content and its history is erased. Finally, to confirm this action and finalizing the delete, simply click on Delete Channel. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete both individual messages and entire channels on Slack. This process should give you a lot more control over your digital workspace, keeping it clean and organized for you and your team. Thanks for watching, and remember, if this guide was helpful, like and subscribe for more tutorials.